Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. Conversion to English in Japanese imported vehicles is one of our specialties. We provide service for Japanese imported Leafs, head unit and dash conversions, battery programming, and key programming. In this video, we show you interface of the Leaf Carvings head unit, which we have already converted to English. We will also show you how to set up local time. It's very uncomfortable to navigate through various menus when the head unit is in a language you cannot understand. Pairing your phone via Bluetooth is much easier when the interface is in familiar language. Setting up charge timers and climate control timers is much easier. Apart from navigating through various settings, there could be warning messages and notifications about malfunctions popping up on the head unit's screen. To set up local time, you would need to enter System Diagnostic menu and disconnect GPS antenna. To enter Diagnostic menu, turn the audio off and turn power off. Then power vehicle on and press Map button 3 times, Power button 2 times and Map button once within the first few seconds after powering the vehicle. You may not succeed at the first attempt, try entire sequence once more. When you go to the diagnostic menu, scroll down to the clock settings, adjust settings and press confirm button. That's it. Thank you for watching.